Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I hope this video find everybody doing well and blessed. Okay, this morning I'm going to be doing a salad. It's called a grape salad. This is a very delicious salad, very easy to prep, and very easy to mix up. That's the reason I'm gonna go ahead on and just I'm not going off a camera to get my stuff to mix it up. I got everything ready, and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to mix up. Now you can use this salad for a party, but in my case I'm using it just to have at the house when I get ready for me a dessert or something like that. It serves at that as that for me, and it's real delicious and satisfying. So let me tell you first what you're gonna need for this grape salad. Okay, right here I have 2 pounds of red grapes and 2 pounds of the white seedless grape. I use 2 pounds. This is what the recipe calls for. Okay, I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and it's 8 ounces of sour cream, 8 ounces of sour cream, and this is a half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can use pure vanilla or you can use imitation vanilla, but I'm putting pure vanilla in mine. And that's what you're gonna need for the salad. That's what I'm gonna mix up in the salad. But over here I have 1 cup of light brown sugar, and in my case it's more. This is 1 cup of ground pecans, but I have more than 1 cup because I just like the nuts. I just like this combination. I don't know if you guys ever had this before. If you had it, leave me a comment and let me know if you had it before, and tell me did you like it, because I love it. Okay, I'm gonna kind of move this stuff back out the way, and I'm gonna bring my mixing bowl over, and I am going to just go ahead on and mix the salad up, and then I'm going to take it, and when I get it mixed up, to show you what it looks like mixed up and everything, I'm going off and I'm going to put it in the serving bowl. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and it's got to chill for either, this salad got to chill. You can either chill it overnight or you can just chill it for a few hours till it get chill, whichever one you want. Because I'm not going, when I get it mixed up, I'm just going to show you, when I get it mixed up, I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like with the pecans and the brown sugar on it, and then that's the end of the video. Okay, first off, I'll move that out of the way. You're going to need to just go ahead on and put your sour cream. This is your 8 ounces of sour cream. And make sure your cream cheese be at room temperature. And I've had this sour cream sitting out for maybe about 30 minutes. Make sure it be at room temperature. I already have it open and everything. See how easy it is to mix with it already being softened like it's supposed to? And just mix well with that. Nothing to it. Can you see over here in the bowl? There.
No, I can't.
Can you adjust the camera?
Turn it like you did.
Well, I can't stir it like that.
Go ahead.
Well, I just want to just, you know, well, that's okay then. I just want to see if I'm just mixing it up, no big deal. But I'm just getting that cream cheese mixed well.
Okay. That's better.
You got it. Thank you. Okay, I just want y'all to see how I got that. Make sure you get the cream cheese and everything mixed up. And then go ahead on mix well. Because you don't want no big lumps in it. That was a teaspoon of vanilla. And this is the half a cup of white sugar. Yeah, you're gonna mix this in, incorporate this in real well. Okay, I've had my grapes, as I told you. I had them washed real good, and I've been having them sitting in this colander draining. Okay, you're gonna just mix them over into your mixture. Cream cheese and stuff. That's all to it, you guys. And get this mixed well. Just make sure you have a bowl large enough to put it in, and put your brown sugar and your pecans on top. If you make a grape salad and you put something other than what I put in it, leave it over in the comment section and let me know what you put in it. And yours, something extra that can make it, you know, just a suggestion that I might want to try. I like taking tips and suggestions, and some of them I try. And I want to say thank you to the lady that sent me the comment about taking like a grocery bag and putting it over that little bin where my pluck from when I'm using my juicer, putting it over that bin, so when the pluck and everything is shooting back there, all I have to do is when it's finished, everything that went into that bag, and you just take that bag up, and it makes for easy cleanup. Because I had one lady that suggested that you know, if I had a organic garden compost that I can use, that I could put those like the vegetables and stuff like that over in that, and pluck from the vegetables and stuff over in that compost. And I told her that I have a friend, her husband has a compost, because he have beautiful flowers and everything, and that I probably see who they want, and then I give it to her. Okay, it's mixed, you guys. See how it's mixed? Now I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna put it in the bowl, and put the pecans on it, and the pecans and the brown sugar on top, and that's it. I'm not gonna try to serve you a bowl of it up because it's got the chia first. So I'm gonna go ahead on and end this video now, because my husband is gonna get a thumbnail, but I want to show y'all what it looks like once I put it in the serving bowl. Okay, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and you like the content that I puts out, subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment down below. And have a good day, and God bless, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the grape salad with the brown sugars and nuts sprinkled on top of it. And that's all to it, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.